Good morning, everybody. Today is supposed to be a beautiful day. We're gonna go back to Central Park, or Park Central if you read it on the map. Hopefully, I pray you guys got a little glimpse of it at the beginning of this vlog. If not, then you guys already know how the vlog went. But if you did, then
What did I mean?
I'm excited, dude. Like, if it's exactly how we imagine it's gonna be, then it's gonna be great, and they already know that. But if not, then we don't know that yet, and they already know that it's not whatever. I think we made it. El Salto open 12 to 8. Our taxi driver said we got 2 hours to get up and down and do anything we want in between all that. And there's a lot of fish. Hola. Rose and I are actually here, about to go see this thing. Really gassed up about it. We have about 2 hours to make this whole hike. I'm not sure exactly how long it's gonna take. Little kids are doing it, so it shouldn't be too bad. I really hope we have a good amount of time at this waterfall, because if not, then it's ruined. Oh, so many beautiful shots. I'm about to go ham on these cinematics. Check it out. No, I'm hyped right now, y'all. I'm getting hella hot. Oh my god. I've never seen a waterfall in my life before. So for this to be my first one, this is really beautiful, guys. And the sun's shining. It's just a perfect day right now. I'm too hyped right now. Too hyped. Rose is struggling a little bit. She's trying to get some photos of me, but don't worry. As soon as we're done with this little quick photo shoot type thing, it's gonna be all vlogging. I'm not gonna lie, these rocks are slippery as hell. I'm gonna actually take my time doing this one-handed, sliding down these rocks. Some of y'all might think, ew, Terry, that water dirty. Nah, this water clean. It's the only water I'm gonna get, and I'm hyped. A fall. That would have been a nasty fall. I told you guys, this rock is slippery as hell. I'm going up. already confirmed this, hands down. This is the best part of the trip. Like no Veradero, no hands and I'm sorry, this is like hands down one of my favorite part of the trip. I've never seen a waterfall in Cuba less than this. Thank you. Waterfall. I love this. I don't know if every waterfall is just like this, but damn, this is beautiful. I really want to see more waterfalls. Like now I'm like into chasing waterfalls everywhere we go. Before I thought it was gonna be horseback riding. Waterfalls, that's it. Everywhere we go, I need a waterfall. We couldn't get the horseback riding this time, but we got something probably I think is 10 times better.
I think it's good.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed as much as I did. This, I can't get over that, babe. There's nothing you can do to top that. Don't want this to end, you don't understand. If that taxi guy wasn't so difficult and only gave us 2 hours, would have been here for a while. Like, I would have been here for a very long time.
But we also need to do stuff in the city.
Oh yeah, we do gotta buy more stuff and today's our last day, so this is one hell of a way to go out and I'm hella happy about it. This is like my favorite footage I ever got, probably ever. I can promise you that much. Bye waterfall.
Bye waterfall.
Soroa? Waterfall Soroa? Soroa? S-O-R-O-A. And if you want to come to Cuba, search up Soroa Waterfall. It's like beautiful. Waterfall is beautiful, man. I really want to come back. Probably gonna go to a different waterfall in Trinidad if we do come back to Cuba. Just basically want to rush back. I'll give you a few more cinematics before we go. But until then. And without any break, we're still back out on the streets.
It's like you're happy to be kidnapped.
Tengo espléndido, tengo robusto. ¿No? Lo vendo aquí en 30 pesos y esta 35, no sé tú lo que le vas a decir. O sea que se la pueden dar en 70 pesos, 80 pesos.
¿Y todas tienen como precio? ¿30 años?
¿Eh?
¿Todas tienen 30 o esta vale más también? ¿No? ¿Cómo tiene?
O sea, este vale más, te estoy diciendo, el espléndido vale 35 pesos.
Alright guys, I don't know if Rose got any good quality footage of what we just went through. Long story short, Rose and I had to go get some Cuban cigars. 4 Cuban cigars and
Apparently quality.
it was a mission basically.
Like
We asked the security guard went to go ask a person. After he asked that person, we went to another person, asked that person, and then we went to some random guy, asked that guy, and that got taken to his house. When we got into the house, he opened a freezer and he pulled out like 3 boxes of like just cigars. We were there, he was like, they started speaking Spanish to each other. Rose and I was looking like,
yeah.
what they saying, what they saying, what they saying, what they saying. But I was just like, nah babe, I got it. 1-888-5 días. And I didn't understand any of those. I just understood kinda numbers. Rose never really tries to speak a language. She says what she wants and she just listens to that. Like they were trying to explain how much each thing was and she was like, how much? How much is one? One. Cheap, how much? One. how much? All she would do was point. She'd never hold up a number. She's like, how much? How much?
Like one.
No, you did not. You would just point everywhere. Now we're going to go try to find food with only 13 CUC left, which should be pretty easy because like I said last video, finding food, breeze.
Okay, so Terry, he's a little bit grumpy. Terry, how are you feeling?
Hungry. Walking far as hell away from home to get some amazing food that Rose swore she saw. Let's see if we get this amazing food, guys, for 13 CUC.
We'll see.
Banging. Someone is a happy camper and a pina colada to finish it. Guys, this is our last meal, so going out with a bang.
But it's not expensive.
Last week he talked about the prices. 5 CUC. Right there, man. That's amazing.
Is it good day? Right? Is this the best, like,
Hands
meal?
down. Hands down.
If we come back, we go here again.
Definitely coming here. Good, yeah? It's all our money. El Chanchuero. This place was banging, y'all. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home. We missed the sunset, but we had an amazing, beautiful last meal.
Yeah.
Damn, that was amazing.
That was nice.
I've once again been proven wrong. Rose, that food was amazing. We're back home, finishing the journey. Tonight is our last stay here at Neptuno 515. I'm not sure the actual address. I just know we stay on Neptuno Street and we're 515. How was the day? How do you?
I think it was one of the best days.
Do you feel it was one of the most beautiful waterfalls, or one of your favorite would you recommend going back to Soroa?
I would, yeah. I think I would. Like, if you driving from Havana, yeah.
It's been fun.
Yeah.
We spent every single dime. We have change, literal change. We worked our money down to the change, and now we're like
counted every 10 cents, because every 10 cent kind of like counted.
Like,
you know?
10 cents takes you a pretty long way here, which is kind of funny, but.
And like the 25 you gave away, we
Yeah,
could have
the 20
half of water.
Guys, literally every little penny counted on this trip. It was a pretty good trip. Cuba, scale from 1 to 10.
I'd say I would come back like 8.
So anyways, I love you guys. We'll talk to you guys next week on Taste of Terryaki with One Eye, where the Pidgeotto stay flying. I love you guys. It's been amazing 6 days.
Yeah, 6 days.
Amazing 6 days. We might see Cuba again. That's something up for discussion. We'll talk to you guys again next week, and hopefully you guys come and stick around and see what we're up to.